Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out, let's practice together. Sunny day, a little bit windy, but here we go. I will start with lower body. Let's warm up and then let's see how things goes. Inhale first deeply as always. Exhale. We're gonna do simple aerials. Legs square, arms in front of you, drive your hips backwards. Nice and easy, 10 times, and move down. 1, go ahead. 2, nice one, keep your low back straight, 3, push. 4, 5, move your hips back. 6, 7, awesome. 8, 9, 10, and back up. Inhale again. Exhale. Then we go wider from your toes, open them a little bit, rotate them towards the right side and heels. And then we're gonna do squats 20 times, 20 squats. Inhale first. Exhale, here we go, 20. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, keep pushing your knees out. 10, 11, go ahead. 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Okay, release. Keep your legs in the same position. We're gonna do sumo squats next. Inhale. Exhale. Sumo squat. Rotate your toes out, heels out. Again, one more time, toes, and you have sumo squat position. 20 times. Inhale first. Exhale. Let's start. 20 times. Squat down. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4. Keep pushing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push. 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2. Push. 3. Push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Good one. Really good warm up of your upper body, right? Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Then let's warm up a little bit our upper body. Block your arms behind. Push your chest forward, straight arms. Hold. Inhale first. Exhale, release. Let's stretch our elbows. Grab your left arm behind your head. Push a little bit. Okay, switch. Right one. Feel that stretch in your shoulder and shoulder blade. Okay, that's it. Upper body, let's work. Knees on the ground. What we're gonna do, rotate your pelvis, push from your arms up. Then we're gonna do shoulder touch, starting from the right arm, right, left, then one push, down and up, and continue. Right, left, down and up. We're gonna do 10 times, 2 sets. Here we go. Inhale first. Rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground. Let's work. Shoulder touch first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Not bad. First one was with bending knees. Second time will be straight plank position. Same, 2 shoulder touches, 1 push. Push up, push down. Inhale again deeply. Exhale. Here we go. 10 times. Plank position. Lower your butt. Stay strong. Engage your core, low back. Let's work. Shoulder touch first. Go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one. Many of you have problems with your thoracic spine and neck. So the next one will be for your upper body and neck. Straight arms, straight legs in front of you. Elbows on the ground. From here, we're gonna work only with our head. Lower down and up, lower down and up. Something very easy. Keep pushing from your elbows, keep your lower back straight, and let's work 10 times. Inhale. Let's work. And up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Okay, the next one will be more challenging. You need to bring your elbows a little bit more forward. You should not place them too much backwards, forward. And we're gonna raise our upper body with our head together. So first take a look, and then we will start it 10 times. I'm placing closer, not too much back, closer. And from here, we're gonna push up with the neck. Push up and back, push up and back. So we're gonna do 12 times. Inhale first. Let's work 12. And back. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1. Last one. 2. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly back up. Okay. Inhale first deeply. Exhale, close the legs, bend them, knees closer to your chest. Hold here, breathe, inhale. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Exhale and twist towards the left side. Switch, inhale. Right side, exhale. Okay. We continue. Let's work. Plank position. From here, what we're gonna do, plank position, we're gonna do right knee goes towards the left elbow once, goes back towards the right elbow second, goes back, and then we switch. Left knee goes towards the right elbow, goes back towards the left elbow, goes back. Here we go, 20 times. 1 time on each leg. Inhale first deeply. Exhale, plank position. Let's work. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down facing dog, breathe. Hold here 10 seconds, lengthening for the spine, keep your legs straight. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, go ahead. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale again. Exhale, back to plank position. We're gonna do second set, same time, same thing. Here we go. Right knee towards the left elbow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down dog, breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, nice and slow, rotate your pelvis forward with upper facing dog. Look forward, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground, release. Okay, let's breathe a little bit. Inhale again. Exhale. Another one. Exhale. Okay, arms on the ground. Inhale first deeply. Let's twist our spine towards the right side, adding thoracic spine mobility. Inhale. Exhale, right arm goes straight up. Hold here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Left one. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the middle. Legs square. We're gonna go back to down dog. Hold here, down dog. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And step forward. Up. Okay, let's work on our balance a bit. So, starting with the left leg back, right leg goes straight, arms closer to your chest. Inhale first. We're gonna fold forward, keeping our body straight, having straight line this way. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up. Release. Inhale again. Exhale, switch. Let's work. Right leg up. Fall forward. Stay strong and stable. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up again. Okay. Inhale again. Exhale. Adding a little bit of lower back and glutes. So left leg banded, hips go backwards, right? RDL fillings, right here. Then from here we're gonna be stable only on our right leg, right? We're gonna open our left as high as possible and bring it back. Here we go, 10 times. The right should be stable, bring the knee forward a bit, but not move it too much, a little bit. Feel strong on the right side. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. 10 times side. 1, 2, higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Inhale again. Exhale, switch side. Left goes back. Get ready. Working with the right side 10 times. Up. Go. 2, higher. 3, 4, push. 5, 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. Okay. Adding hips mobility with upper body. So from here, inhale first. We're gonna bend our left knee, left arm grabs our leg. Exhale and twist. And then again, back, up, bend your left, grab, and twist. Bend and up. Do it slow. Every person has different mobility, different level of mobility and flexibility. So take care about your body. If you feel that you cannot push yourself too much, don't do that. You can skip always and continue with my next exercise. Okay, inhale again. Let's work 10 times, 5 on each side. Exhale, 1. Back, keep the lower back straight when you're going down. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the middle. Inhale again. Exhale, fall forward, keep your low back straight, feel your hamstrings, hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, release. I try to do more lower body workouts because what I found right now on my channel, my main age is 35, 65. So as people aging, you need to understand that we need to practice and we need to have really good base. That means we need to have really good lower body functional strength for our daily life. So I try to give you different kind of variations. Every person can find something for his body to help itself. Okay, inhale again. Exhale. The last one, arms in front of you straight, legs in front of you, left one in front of you. We're gonna open and back. We're gonna open and back. Feel stable on the right side, arms strong, straight in front of you. Here we go, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, push, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. If you cannot do it properly, you can support yourself with a chair, with a wall, or even with a friend. You can like hold hands of each other and then keep working. Okay, the right side, same thing. Inhale, drive your knee up, open. 1, 2, push, 3, push, 4, push, 5, go ahead, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Okay, release. Let's do one, the last one, down dog. Arms on the ground, let's flex, let's stretch. Push your shoulders, feel the stretch in the hamstrings, upper body. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back down. Okay, that's it. Nice and easy workout, nice and easy practice. Hope you find it useful. I really enjoy that my channel is growing, almost 5K. So stay strong, peace, keep working.